Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a little girl named Lily. She loved to explore the forest near her home, where the sunlight danced through the trees and the air was always filled with birdsong. One crisp spring morning, Lily set off on her usual adventure. As she wandered deeper into the woods, she noticed a soft rustling in the bushes. Curious, she tiptoed closer and saw a tiny white rabbit tangled in some brambles. The rabbit's big, frightened eyes looked up at her, and Lily's heart melted. "Don't worry, little one," she said softly. "I'll help you." Gently, she untangled the rabbit, taking care not to hurt its delicate fur. Once free, the rabbit hopped a few steps away, then stopped and looked back at her. It seemed to be waiting. "Do you want me to follow you?" Lily asked, half laughing. The rabbit twitched its nose, as if answering yes, and bounded ahead. Curious, Lily followed the rabbit through a winding path she had never noticed before. They passed a sparkling stream, fields of wildflowers, and a towering oak tree with a hollow trunk. At last, they arrived at a clearing. In the middle of the clearing was a small, hidden meadow filled with blooming flowers, butterflies, and hummingbirds flitting about. The sight was breathtaking, and Lily had never seen anything like it before. The rabbit hopped into the meadow and joined other rabbits, its family, who were happily munching on clover. They welcomed their white-furred friend with joyful bounds and hops. Lily stood at the edge of this paradise and watched in awe, feeling a sense of peace and happiness swell in her heart. She realized that by helping the rabbit, she had discovered a special place where magic seemed to linger in the air. "Thank you, little friend," Lily whispered to the rabbit, who paused, twitching its ears before returning to its family. As the sun started to set, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, Lily knew it was time to head back home. She waved goodbye to the rabbits and made her way back through the forest, her heart light, and her mind full of wonder. From that day on, Lily visited the secret meadow often, always remembering the tiny rabbit, who had shown her the way to a little piece of magic in the world.